In today's Vikram Online based video, we are showcasing Windows VPS hosting on eUKhost. What we find over here is that when it comes to VPS hosting, it's got high performance and at a low cost. So that overall, when it comes to the value factor, eUKhost definitely scores with its VPS hosting because see, when it comes to let's say Windows 2012 R2, we are looking at a cost of just £15.99 a month, and at that you're getting a lot. What all are you getting? You're getting Windows 2012 R2, which is the latest version of the Windows Server 2012 R2 standard edition, which is pre-installed in fact. Plus you get managed VPS hosting, which means any time of the day there's the expert team of eUKhost available 24 by 7. Then you also get MS SQL Express, which is pre-installed and ready to go on all eUKhost servers. Moreover, you get Smarter Bundle Pro, which comes completely free of cost. You also get a free Plesk panel, and you also get free VPS monitoring. So therefore, when it comes to the overall value factor of this entire VPS hosting package from eUKhost, it makes a lot of sense. We ourselves patronize it, and that's why we wholeheartedly recommend it. In terms of the packages, in terms of the different versions of this VPS hosting which is offered by eUKhost, there are multiple versions starting from VPS Starter Edition, then there's VPS Standard, there's VPS Professional, and VPS Enterprise. Each one is tailored to the requirements of respective businesses. Say a startup would probably be okay with a VPS Starter to at least get going in the beginning, and then over time they will graduate to say the VPS standard plan or the VPS professional plan and so on, whereas an established large business will probably look at VPS enterprise from the get go. In every instance, the aspects are clearly mentioned. Like for instance, with the starter edition, you're looking at 2 vCPU cores, while in the enterprise package, you're looking at 4 vCPU cores. Likewise, the RAM is also progressively higher, starting with 2 GB, going all the way up to 6 GB. Then in terms of SSD storage also, we are going looking at starting up with 30 GB, going all the way up to 120 GB. There's unmetered bandwidth across every plan, and you get Windows Server 2012 R2 as standard also on every plan. Then Plesk Onyx admin is free on every plan, and you have some additional such as free domain SSL on the standard plan, and both professional and enterprise have free domain wildcard SSL. So these are the key highlights of these particular plans. In terms of pricing, you'll find every plan to be very reasonable, starting off from 15.99 a month for the first plan, going up to 36.99 for the enterprise plan. So what we feel is that the value factor, as we've already emphasized in this video, is consistent on eUKhost VPS hosting plans, which is why we wholeheartedly recommend it. For your benefit, what we've done is we've directly linked to the same page in the description of this video. That makes things very easy for you, since you can review all of this information. The fact that there's Windows VPS hosting on offer, the fact that it's priced very reasonably, there are multiple facets or features of this VPS hosting, and along with these plans where you can easily configure and choose and order